and that there was any sort of equivalency here. If he was defamed by that statement, and Amber Heard did not win on those countersuits with regard to calling it a hoax, etc., these jurors clearly believed Johnny Depp and didn't believe Amber Heard.
Dan, let me stop you here because our 3.5 or so million viewers, 3 million viewers on YouTube, some people have some concerns. They want to make sure that you are not driving. Like so many people, I'm sure you stopped whatever you were doing when you heard a verdict was coming at 3 o'clock. You picked up your phone and dialed into YouTube, right?
I'm in the back seat of a car. I'm not actually driving the car.
Right. He's not at the wheel, guys. He's in the back seat of a car. He's safe. Everyone on the road is safe. Dan's a lawyer. He wouldn't endanger himself and others. Let's talk about the appeal. Is Amber Heard going to appeal this, Dan?
Absolutely, she's going to appeal.
Violence, coerce, not like to charge people for
last 18 months, and then would have
the Heard arguing that Bahamas trip. That's the one that Elaine Brennerhoff mentioned.
If you can hear in the audio behind me, well, unclear whether anyone will hear anything from Amber Heard immediately after this. And please take it, Nima. Guys, I'm out here.
Bien, vamos a ver el momento entonces en el que declaran el veredicto final.
If I could have the attorneys approach for a moment.
Por que se acerquen los jurados al estrado. Parece que hubo un problema porque como encontraron que Johnny Depp había ganado el juicio en todos los cargos que se le habían hecho por o sea, en todos los cargos que le había hecho a Amber Heard, parece entonces que le correspondía a Amber Heard pagarle una suma de dinero y los jurados se olvidaron de
All right, again, you're looking live in... Okay.
All right, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, what I need you to do, I need to give the forms back to you. When you find for a defamatory statement, one or more, you need to fill out the compensatory damages. It has to be at least $1 for compensatory damages and up to whatever you feel the damages should be.
Sí, básicamente lo que se está diciendo es, señoras y señores de
Back to the
por más allá de que
deliberation room and do that for me, okay?
Pido que por favor, bajo la ley de estos estados de Estados Unidos, tengan que declarar cuánto dinero le corresponde a Johnny Depp por difamación.
All right, so we'll be in recess till we hear back from them. Don't go too far, okay?
Thank you.
All right. Con la declaración de que los daños públicos.
Well, just as we were telling you, this could wrap up in just about 10 minutes by 3:10, 3:15. Not so fast. There was a little sidebar going on with the attorneys in the front. Apparently, the jurors didn't fill out the
No me anda el sonido. Esta es la parte en la que básicamente lo que van a hacer, van a leer todos los cargos que se le hicieron a Amber Heard, todos los cargos que se le hicieron a Johnny Depp, porque también hubo una contrademanda por parte de Johnny Depp por parte de Amber Heard contra Johnny Depp por unos tweets que hizo el ex abogado de Johnny Depp hace unos años, que la difamó a ella supuestamente. En este momento está entrando el jurado a la corte. estamos todos muy nerviosos. La verdad que estamos. Si fuera Amber Heard en ese momento estaría comiéndome las uñas, pero estaría sangrando.
All right, Mr. Foreperson, is this the verdict of the jury?
Señor líder del jurado.
All right, is it unanimous?
Este es el veredicto
Thank
final.
you, sir. Jane?
Le pregunta si es un veredicto unánime, si es el veredicto final. Le dice que sí al líder del jurado.
In civil case number CL 2019-2911, Mr. Depp's claim against Ms. Heard. 1. As to the statement appearing in the online op-ed entitled, Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change. In the Washington Post online edition, quote, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change, end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr. Depp proven, by a greater weight of the evidence, that, question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false? Answer, yes. Question, the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, due to circumstances surrounding the publication of the statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven, by clear and convincing evidence, that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes. 2. As to the statement appearing in the op-ed entitled, A Transformative Moment for Women in the Washington Post print edition and the online op-ed, Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change. In the Washington Post online edition. Quote, then 2 years ago, I became a public figure representing domestic abuse, and I felt the full force of our culture's wrath for women who speak out, end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr. Depp proven, by a greater weight of the evidence, that, question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false? Answer, yes. Question, the statement has a defamatory implication about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, the defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, due to circumstances surrounding the publication of the statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven, by clear and convincing evidence, that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes. 3. As to the statement appearing in the op-ed entitled, A Transformative Moment for Women in the Washington Post print edition and the online op-ed, Amber Heard, I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change. In the Washington Post online edition. Quote, I had the rare vantage point of seeing in real time how institutions protect men accused of abuse, end quote. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Mr. Depp proven, by a greater weight of the evidence, that, question, the statement was made or published by Ms. Heard? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Mr. Depp? Answer, yes. Question, The statement was
El
false.
artículo se refería a
Answer,
Johnny Depp, no a otra
yes.
persona, sí.
Question. The statement has a defamatory implication about
El
Mr.
artículo
Depp.
tiene una intención
Answer,
difamatoria.
yes.
Sí.
Question. The defamatory implication was designed and intended by Ms. Heard. Answer, yes.
El artículo fue
Question.
diseñado
Due to
y tuvo la
circumstances
intención
surrounding the
maliciosa de
publication
Amber
of this
Heard, sí.
statement, it conveyed a defamatory implication to someone who saw it other than Mr. Depp. Answer, yes. Do you find that Mr. Depp has proven by clear and convincing evidence that Ms. Heard acted with actual malice? Answer, yes. As against Amber Heard, we, the jury, award compensatory damages in the amount of $10 million. As against Amber Heard, we, the jury, award punitive damages in the amount of $5 million. In civil case number CL 2019-2911, Ms. Heard's claim against Mr. Depp. 1. As to this statement, appearing in the April 8, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, Amber Heard and her friends in the media use fake sexual violence allegations as both a sword and shield, depending on their needs. They have selected some of her sexual violence hoax facts as the sword, inflicting them on the public and Mr. Depp. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, no. 2. As to this statement, appearing in the April 27, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, quite simply, this was an ambush, a hoax. They set Mr. Depp up by calling the cops, but the first attempt did not do the trick. The officers came to the penthouses, thoroughly searched and interviewed, and left after seeing no damage to face or property. So Amber and her friends spilled a little wine and roughed the place up, got their story straight under the direction of a lawyer and publicist, and then placed a second call to 911, end quote. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, yes. Has Ms. Heard proven by a greater weight of the evidence that, question, Mr. Waldman, while acting as an agent for Mr. Depp, made or published the statement? Answer, yes. Question, the statement was about Ms. Heard. Answer, yes. Question, the statement was seen by someone other than Ms. Heard. Answer, yes. Question, the statement was false. Answer, yes. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven, by clear and convincing evidence, that the statement by Mr. Waldman was made with actual malice? Answer, yes. 3. As to this statement, appearing in the April 27, 2020 online edition of the Daily Mail, quote, we've reached the beginning of the end of Ms. Heard's abuse hoax against Johnny Depp, end quote. Do you find that Ms. Heard has proven all the elements of defamation? Answer, no. As against John C. Depp II, we, the jury, award compensatory damages in the amount of $2 million. As against John C. Depp II, we, the jury, award punitive damages in the amount of $0.
Does either side wish to have the jury polled?
Yes, Your Honor.
Jamie?
Members of the jury, if this is your verdict, please answer yes. If this is not your verdict, please answer no. Juror number 6. Juror number 10. Juror number 15. Juror number 16. Juror number 22. Juror number 27. Juror number 29.
I do find that the jury's verdict is unanimous. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes your service in this case. I want to thank you again for your dedication and your hard work during this trial. And I know I speak for everybody here when I tell you that we appreciate your sacrifices and your time and your public service in this matter, okay? So I'm going to have you go back to the jury deliberation room for one more time, and then we'll release you from there, okay? All right, thank you.
y haber estado separados de sus vidas normales y diarias. Acuérdense que el jurado son simplemente personas civiles como nosotros que son citados por el municipio, digamos, por el gobierno estatal a participar como jurado.
All right.
Y le agradece por todo su trabajo y la
Okay. In accordance with law, I will amend the punitive damages award to the statutory cap of $350,000 on Mr. Depp's award, okay? I will set this down for entry of an order, and can we do it on June 24th at 10 a.m. if that's available? All right, so Mr. Chu, if you could prepare that order and then circulate it to Ms. Butterhoff, and we can have all the objections noted on it. All right? All right, and if I get it before that date, I'll take it off the docket, okay? All right, again, thank you to all the attorneys for your professionalism, and you're welcome to come to my courtroom anytime. Well, give me a few weeks, but then you can come anytime, okay? All right, court is adjourned. Thank you.
Dólares, que eso lo van a ver más adelante en junio, y hasta entonces les agradece que le den unas semanas de respiro y les agradece por su profesionalismo durante todo el juicio, la integridad, y da por finalizada la sesión del juicio. Bueno, ahí vemos a todo el equipo legal de Johnny Depp festejando, claramente muy contentos, muy extasiados y sumamente satisfechos por el resultado de su gran trabajo en equipo. Claramente la estrella del equipo fue Camille Vázquez, al igual que Ben Chu, el socio líder, digamos, del bufete. Camille Vázquez, recordemos que es una asociada al bufete, es uno de los cargos más bajos que se puede tener, así que claramente después de este resultado maravilloso creo que le vendrá bien un ascenso. Además se han ganado muchos fans ambos, tanto Benchu como Camilo Vázquez, y seguramente pasen a ser celebridades ambos a partir de ahora, sobre todo en TikTok, por todo lo que estamos viendo, ya son celebridades los dos. Lo dejo por acá y muchas gracias.